Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily use camera timer on your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to install some app from your app store. So just first thing, just open App Store, just go to search tab and just write in search tab camera timer. And just tap on search. So here you can see camera timer. So just tap on get, and now just wait until it will successfully download and install this app on your phone. So here you can see that you can just tap on open, and here you need to choose countdown. So for example 5, and just tap on photo. So just tap on OK, and here you can see how much seconds left for taking picture. So here you can see that it successfully take photo. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.